guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make an inclined heart that I'm going to ice dye on a t-shirt. I've washed and dried my shirt, soaked it in soda ash, wrung it out, and it's barely damp. So to begin, I'm going to fold my shirt in half, and I'm going to try to smooth out some of the wrinkles. I went ahead and marked the middle of my shirt, but I really didn't need to do that. I've made a stencil for my heart out of a piece of plastic cutting board, and I'm just going to take a washable marker and trace around that. Then I'm going to begin at the top of my heart, and I'm going to fan fold my heart. Once I've finished all my fan folds for my heart, I'm going to tie it up with some sinew. Then I'm taking the rest of my shirt and fan folding it as well. The rest of the shirt I'm just going to tie up using some kite string. My setup for this incline dye is I have taken a plastic tub and a piece of plastic guttering, and I've put one end of the guttering down into the tub and let the other end of the guttering hang outside the tub. And I'm putting my shirt down into the guttering with the heart portion up. For this shirt I'm going to use some Dharma colors. I'm putting Kelly green on the heart with a little line of deep space just on the outside of the heart, followed by Wedgwood blue, new emerald green, azure blue, and then I'm adding some more Kelly green and Wedgwood blue at the very bottom. Then I'm going to put a sprinkle of soda ash on top and load it up with some ice. After all my ice melted, I came back in and looked, and my heart needed just a little bit more green on it. The very, very tip of it was still white, and I'm okay with that, but I thought it needed a little bit more when I kind of gently lifted it up and looked at the back side. So I added a little bit more Kelly green on the heart portion, added just a very thin layer of ice over the rest of the shirt, and let it continue to process. Alright, here's what our shirt ended up looking like. I really like the effect that an incline die gives. If you guys are enjoying these videos, would you please hit that bright red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel? I sure would appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching.